This is a look inside the studio. We got our bass. We got all of our fans and shit up there. And we got all of our guitars, acoustic. Got Darius over here rocking my acoustic. Oh yeah, it's called Guitar Cam right here. And then we got our fucking Canadian flag, a big TV to practice songs on, with a good fucking bass. We got a guitar hiding over there. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guitars in this bitch, and an amp. I know the amp is. Basically, we just chill out and fucking play guitar all day. So when I kicked Darius's ass, I threw him through the door because he was trying to take lead when I'm the lead.
Fuck off. You can't do shit. Bitch.
And it's real junky and shit because we don't like cleaning up. Oh fuck, someone's up. Oh, nasty. Got out, man.
Real strong fucking mutant.
Come on.
Just fucking smack it with that dust. Might just be fucking, just knocked out or something.
Yeah, it could just be clean. Here's the broom.
Fuck no, I'm not gonna come loose.
Here, I'll fucking kill it.
Just eat dust pan. Weights.
No, not the weights.
Well, fuck.
We lift weights with that.
Weights.
I'm just gonna put a book on it and stomp on it.
Do it up. Let's see if that's a good important book.
Darius, I'm gonna use your masturbating book.
Alright. It's alright. Yeah, man. Just pick it up.
Oh, it's moving.
Fuck, it's moving. Holy shit.
Just
fucking do it, man.
Should I just throw it at it real hard?
Yes.
Ooh, fuck.
Do it again, man. Because its toes are caught in there.
Oh,
Fuck. It's not dying, man.
it's not.
Watch out, dude.
This is real resilient fucking mouse.
Fuck.
It's probably dead now.
Oh, man. Fuck. Pick it up, man. You gotta pick that shit up.
Is it dead? No. Here, let's go jam out real quick.
Let's go jam it out. Fucking throw that shit out.
We can finally sleep in peace now.
It's fucking called gonorrhea.
David the Dragon Slayer killed the mouse.
The Dragon Slayer.
All in one video, jamming out and mouse killing.